In Southeast Texas, we've had a few widely scattered isolated showers across the area today. Not many, coverage 20% or less, ahead of a cold front that'll work through the area throughout the day tomorrow, and drier air kind of lagging behind a little bit. We'll show you that coming up in just a moment. Now, as we take a look at the tropics, first off, great news here. The system we've been watching the last several days is falling apart. Just too much dry air out there, and also Saharan dust. Well, that's good news there. In fact, I just don't see much development at all. Let's take a look in the upper atmosphere. Notice across South Texas is where the best moisture's at. We're kind of on the edge of that as that front works in later tonight, throughout the day tomorrow. But notice what happens as we go into next week. Moisture starts getting shunted to the south by tomorrow afternoon. So that 20% coverage of showers in our forecast tomorrow is mainly near the coast, south of I-10. Dry northwest winds continuing across the area. High pressure into Mexico and a trough in the east. And notice what happens next week. Look at that. Lots of dry air, moisture well to our south. This is Friday of next week. It's like a dry week of weather coming up. And we're starting to get a little bit dry again, but just that slight chance of a shower tomorrow, and after that, no rain at all through at least next weekend, the way it looks. And as we head into next Saturday, not much change either. Still a dry northerly flow, so lots of dry weather. Now, with this front, a lot drier air as well. Look at the forecasted low temperatures we've got for Tuesday morning. Low 60s. Boy, that's going to feel nice when you wake up Tuesday morning. Upper 50s to near 60 up in the lakes. Going to be a beautiful, beautiful week ahead coming up as far as the humidity levels. A little bit cooler at night. It'll still be fairly warm during the day. All right, let's take a look at Futurecast. Still a few isolated evening showers out there. Had the sea breeze work in. We have just enough moisture with the heating to produce a few, but overnight looks pretty quiet with partly to mostly cloudy skies. As we head toward daybreak, a few showers may try to start developing as that front works in, but things looking pretty good as we head into the afternoon as drier air works in. Highs tomorrow, not as hot as today, will be in the upper 80s across the area. And as we head into Monday, which will show you that in just a moment. Marine forecast, look for winds to be out of the southwest, becoming east and then northeast. That water temperature at 90. Your Sam Rayburn forecast for Sunday. Up tomorrow, plan on heading to the lake. Looks pretty good. We'll keep rain out. Partly sunny, close to 90 for highs, upper 80s to near 90 in the afternoon. And now tonight, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Lows in the upper 60s. Very nice in the morning for the lakes. Low 70s here in the Triangle. And for your Sunday, partly sunny skies. High temperatures in the upper 80s. 7-day forecast, that 20% coverage tomorrow. Not a big deal there. But boy, all of next week into next weekend looking dry. And much drier air too. 67 Monday morning, high of 88. Look at Tuesday morning, 63 for a low. High up to 90. Lots of sunshine, low humidity, much of next week into next weekend.